Ooh, that was a good night. Wait. The Angry Luigi show's about to come on. Huh.
Welcome to the Angry Luigi Show. You know what grinds my ears?
Okay, now for this night, you're meant to watch out for Nunu. Look, both hallways, whichever hallway he's on, close the door until he goes to the to a different location. If he's too hard to find, just 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 look all four locations, especially the closet. All right, just don't let him, vacuum you up. So he vacuums you to death, okay? That's how he really kills you. He vacuums you. Anyway, and the performance is today, and you don't want to die on the performance day. All right. What the? What the? He just went away for a minute. Oh God, he went away. Whoa! I forgot I spilled that water last night. And don't worry, this night's only gonna be 3 minutes. Hmm. Okay, there he go. It's only like 3 a.m. The night's going by very fast. Alright. Why do y'all hate school? I'm only like 6 years old and I like school. Yeah, snitches get stitches, boy. I would rather hit school haters in the nut. Oh, no, that's a good one. Dang, it's 4 a.m. already. Come on. Oh no, it's 5 a.m. and he's like right here. Come on, I'll do anything for you to go away. Um, 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 uh, the Poe plush. That's it. Poe's in the Nunu's in the Teletubby show. Along with Poe, Lala, Tinker, we get Dipsy. Come on. It's 6 a.m. That quick? This must be daylight saving time. For God's sakes. For God's sakes, it's daylight saving time. There are a total of 0 days until the party starts. It's party day. And since today is the party, it is Lewis's birthday. Yeah, boy. Yeah, whatsoever, some of y'all might not care. Because today is actually, the day where the party comes. Hey guys, Scaredy Cat. It's Scaredy Cat's birthday today. Oh my God. I just can't wait for the party today. It's my birthday. All people bought me some good presents. Hey, Scaredy Cat. Happy birthday, Scaredy Cat. Yeah. Wait, who are y'all? Are y'all my big brother's friends? Oh, we are your big brother's friends. Is that? It just took like a very long time for all of us to know each other. By a kind. Want to see our backstory? What should I say? No. Wait, the performance is coming on. Guys, look. Wait, what? They're about to play the song. Hold up, repeat it. I didn't get to hear it. Hello, everyone. I am Golden Pelt. I'm Spring Tinky Winky. And I'm everybody's favorite. Nunu. Nunu's Family Diner. Do you guys know what I'm thinking? His older brother's here. We have to take care of Lewis for him. So we're gonna put him inside of music. Oh my god. I wish my friend Nicole was here. Well, your friend Nicole ain't gonna do crap. She's just a girl. Wait, what? Why are y'all saying this crap? Hey, y'all kids, put that little kid down. You're coming with us, kid. What? Where am I going? Oh, you'll see. Come on, just wait till the performance is over. I think he wants to give Nunu a big kiss during the performance. That was just malfunctioning animatronics, because animatronics are allergic to water. Oh my god, shut up, Craig! So, I'm Craig. You're Joshua. You're Johnny. Don't you mean my Johnny Albert? Oh, shut up and get inside his mouth. No, just wait until the performance is over. I just don't want to die now. Don't worry, you're not gonna die. You're only gonna give him a big kiss and then you're going off stage. We're gonna put him, to his misery. Not to my misery. I don't want to be put to my misery. I hope y'all enjoyed that performance. Come back to Nunu's Family Diner for more. Wait, we got a big old surprise for you. Hey Nunu, you want this guy inside your mouth? Yeah, sure. I love putting people in my mouth. Wait, are you cannibal? Okay. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot, I forgot that could kill him! Oh no. His older brother's about to be mad that we killed Louis. Thanks a lot, Dumbo. Now he's dead because of you. This is all your fault. No, this ain't your fault. You know what? Fine. Both of you shut up. This was mainly your fault wearing the Lala mask. You're the one that's bigger of a bully. For you, you're the main retard. Oh, shut up, Joshua. Yeah, Joshua, you shut up. Now his older brother Ricardo's gonna be very mad when he sees that his brother's been vacuumed to the head. You know what? That's it. I'm out of here. I'm not getting involved in this. What, that scaredy cat deserved to die anyway. Yeah. Yeah, freaking idiot don't think that Lewis deserved to die. Yeah, what a scaredy cat. He deserved it for being such a scaredy cat over stuff. Nightmare Poe, Nightmare Tinky Winky, Nightmare Lala, Nightmare Dipsy's been haunting him for his last 3 days. Yeah, let's just set that to a point. The bad ending. The bite of 85. By 1985, okay?